Hello children, hope you all are fine and studying. So today we will see a poem for 10th standard, that is To a Pair of Sarah's Crane, which is written by Manmohan Singh. So let us see a few things about Manmohan Singh. That is, Manmohan Singh is a contemporary poet and he is an IAS also, and he has published many magazines. This particular To a Pair of Sarah's Crane has taken from one of his book called Village Poems. Okay, now just start about the poem. Sarah's Crane is a bird. Okay, this is a story of a two birds. This is a pair. No, pair means two. Okay, here two birds are, one is a female bird and a male bird. This is a story of two birds. This is male and a female bird. Okay, I'll show you a picture of crane bird. This is the crane bird. Hope you all can see. Isn't it look so beautiful? It has a long neck, beak, and also a long legs. Okay, this is called Sarah's Crane. So in this story you can see, in this poem you can see a much affection and a love between a female and a male bird. Okay, so in this story it starts with a female and a male bird were flying in the sky, and in the sky there was an horizon. Horizon is where earth and the sky meets. Okay, you can see here, this is the sky and this is sea level earth, where these two meet in one line. This line is called horizon. Okay, so what happens in the horizon, there was a sun also. So this sun was looking so delicious, so beautiful to the male bird, male Sarah's Crane. So what did male bird did? He tried to pull that sun out of the horizon. Okay, is it possible? No, this is not possible, but that male crane was trying to pull this sun out of the horizon from its beak. Okay, this picture, when that was trying to do so, the hunter shot the male bird to its neck. Okay, the hunter shot male bird's neck. So what happens? The male bird shot dead to down. When both were flying in the sky, male Sarah's Crane was shot dead by the hunter. So female Sarah's Crane was in a deep sorrow to see this, that her partner was shot dead and it fell down. Okay, so the female Sarah's Crane was so much in a deep sorrow, and she was circling the sky like anything. She was unable to see this, what was happening with the male bird. She was unable to see that picture. The shooter, they clearly hunt the bird. They just did not shoot the bird. They also picked it very, from its jaws and wings. They just picked it very harsh and put it in the rough bag. She could not able to see that picture, how clearly they behaved with its partner. She was circling in the sky itself. When the hunters went away by taking that male bird's dead body, they went away. So after that, the female bird came down. When she saw only the few feathers of male bird was left down, because some few feathers was already have taken from the sea wave. So few feathers was left upon the seashore. Okay, see, this is how it fell down after the hunter shot the male bird, and she was circling in the sky. The female bird was circling in the sky. And when she came down and took some few feathers of the male bird, she sat down She sat on the feathers of the male bird. She was praying with the God that please send my male partner back to his life. She was praying for his soul. Meanwhile, the sea waves of the sea came in the form of God and took her also along with them to unite male and the female bird soul in heaven. Understood? When she was praying for male bird's soul, she was sitting on the seashore by holding few feathers left out, and she was praying, she was crying, she kissed the feathers also. That time the waves of the sea came in form of God and taken her also along with them to unite male and the female bird soul in heaven. Hope you all understand. Thank you.